If a raised to the b over 4 equals 16 for positive integers a and b, what is one possible value of b? So for this question, it would be very wise to select a number for a. So let's just go with 2. Why 2? Because there's a way to raise this 2 to a certain number to have a 16. You could have used 4 if you wanted, because again, there's a way to raise 4 to a certain number to get a 16. But let's just go with an easier version, which is a 2. So we know 2 raised to some b value divided by 4 is going to equal 16. Now, we know just from basic algebra and arithmetic that 2 to the 4th power equals 16, correct? So the question then becomes, how can we make this division equal this 4 that we want? What divided by 4 is going to equal the 4? And if you've guessed 16 divided by 4, that will make sense because 2 to the 4th power equals 16, 16 equals 16. So this is one of those questions that's going to have many possible answers. We just use one of them, but you can play around with this as much as you want. If you made the a value a 4 instead of a 2, then we can ask ourselves, 4 raised to some value of b divided by 4 equals 16. And you would go, well, we know again just from basic arithmetic that 4 raised to the 2nd power is 16. So the question becomes, this division should give us a 2. What does b have to be to give us a 2 there? We would say, okay, 4, b would have to be an 8. Why? Because 4 to the 2nd power equals 16. So multiple answers. As long as you just get one of those answers right, you're good to go. So this is a free response. We're going to go with either of these answers. We found 2 of them. You really don't have to find 2. You just need one of them. So b can be 16. We also saw that b can also be 8. There are many other choices, but just go with those.